Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm 21 years old. I'm a biology student from the University of Oregon, and I'm working as a sustainability intern with Conaltura. During my time here, I'm working with the sustainability team to develop their standards and their measures to comply with the new Corp B standards. They are a construction company, and they develop large high-rises, but they also really value sustainability. And so I've been working with them to see how we can improve their processes for identifying ecological resources that are at risk near the lots where they develop these buildings, to see if we can improve our measures and protect that biodiversity that's there. I chose to do my internship program in Medellin, Colombia because the city has a lot of momentum, and that's something that I felt like I was missing in my university college town. There's a lot of entrepreneurship, there's a lot of music, culture, but also biodiversity. And so all those things together made me realize that Medellin and Colombia was a perfect place for me to explore industry related to biology. It's really hard for me to pinpoint a favorite memory or a favorite part of my internship. I think in general, the people that I've met have made it completely worth it. Every time I have gone to do something with someone, it's been a highlight of my year already. I got to go hiking, I got to go dancing, I got to go eat lunch with people. Just every little piece of it felt fun. I think the thing that surprised me the most was how much there is to do in this city. I knew there was going to be a lot to do, so in that regard it wasn't surprising, but just the vast variety of things there are to pick here. Dancing, music, there's like music every single day in every area of the city. You really want it. There's a lot of different types of food in Laureles, where we sleep, we're staying, in Fogado, where we work. There's hiking nearby because of all the mountains. I think that surprised me the most is the accessibility of the activities. This program, above all else, kind of gave me the confidence to realize that I have what it takes to go into industry from research and academia. The past 4 years, I've been doing a lot of laboratory work as a biologist, but I know that eventually I want to end up in industry, and so doing something like this reassured me that despite my strengths and weaknesses, I can adapt to a workplace environment that's fast-paced, that is innovative, that's reaching for high standards, and I can still succeed and feel accomplished. The Intern Group staff has been incredibly supportive, especially Mariana. She organized what really felt like hangouts. We went on a lot of tours, but really we just got to know each other, got to know everyone in the group, and it really made it feel like the place where we were all staying was a safe space because everyone was there. It's like a home base. If I needed anything, I could call someone. If I didn't want to cook alone, I could call someone. And they did a really good job with that, facilitating that kind of support. They were awful. Say yes to things. Say yes to as many opportunities as you can. Think about things you can do by yourself and that you could do with others, and proactively go out and do them so that you don't feel like your time here was all work. You gotta work hard, play hard.